The United States is home to more than 30 million small businesses. In fact, they make up over 99% of all businesses in the country. But not all businesses are created equal. Different structures offer different benefits. And one unique business structure is the S Corporation. Before we go over what an S Corporation is, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. In simple terms, an S Corporation, or Scorp, is a type of business structure that offers unique tax benefits to its owners. It's named after Subchapter S of the Internal Revenue Code. There are two core ways that S Corp distinguish themselves. First is the avoidance of double taxation. The majority of corporations are C corporations, which are taxed twice. The business itself is taxed on its income, and then shareholders are taxed again on their dividends. But an S Corp is different. It's a pass-through entity. This means all of the corporation's profits, losses, deductions, and credits pass through directly to the shareholders. The S Corp itself is generally not subjected to federal income tax. Only the shareholders are taxed on their share of the corporation's income. The second advantage of an S Corp is related to self-employment taxes. Ordinarily, the owners of a business have to pay self-employment taxes on all the business's profits, but in an S Corp, only the salary paid to the owner-employee is subject to employment tax. Any remaining income that is paid as a distribution is not subject to this tax. Without question, S Corp remain a popular choice for small business owners. According to the IRS, as of 2021, over 4 million S corporations were in existence in the United States, making them the most common corporate entity. While it may not be the perfect fit for every business, the S corporation structure provides distinct benefits that have helped millions of small businesses thrive. And in a nation where small businesses are the backbone of the economy, that's something worth understanding. If you need more information about S corporations or would like to set one up ASAP, please visit legalregistration.com. You can also call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of S corporations? Which specific one intrigues you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.